Hi guys, it has been so long since the last video. Probably because I've gone away with the school for a few nights and yeah. So we're back with another Roblox video. Yeah, I just got more Robux because I had the money to get just a few Robux. I only got 400. And I found this game, Get Bucks. I haven't played it yet, but I just saw it on the was popular. So I saw it, Get Bucks here, was popular. So I just clicked on it. So I thought I should join it, I guess. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing right now. Yeah, I don't know why it does this. I'm kind of confused. Is this like a game that tries to ask for your password and username and you get like 3 Robux or something? But trust me, don't. Please, just don't fall for these. So I think you go onto this link. Well, it's not really a link. You just search this up, and then you go on this, and you get like three Robux or something, or 3 things for game. But I don't think you'd want to trust this, so please don't trust it. So yeah, I just wanted to see. Now I'm going to see what other games are there on Roblox. Maybe we could play. What have played in a while? Not too sure, like, not. But what is the name of that game? I do not know. So let me just think a second, and I do know. Definitely. That means yes. Death Run. Oh, it's my sister. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That was just nice disturbing me. Yeah, she's like not home yet, she's like working or something, I'm not sure. But yeah. I'm excited to play this. I have played Death Run on Minecraft. I haven't, let me just see. It's been a while since I played it on Roblox. Yeah, and yeah, I wish I could, but I can't really do Minecraft videos. So I have Minecraft on my laptop, but I don't know, it wouldn't like let me go on, and I paid it for it and everything, but I'm not too sure, it just wouldn't let me go on. And I do have Fortnite, but for some reason that's it. I've got like, the whatever it's called, Epic Games. I have that, as you can see. But like I've downloaded Fortnite on there, but it's like doesn't give me the option to play the game. I would want to play it. I play it on my Xbox, but I just can't like play it and record it. So I'm kinda disappointed, but it's fine. I'm so bad at this. What happened to me? Ugh. Sorry about that. So, ooh, this one looks so cool, right? Okay, okay. Oh god, oh god, oh god, I can't see it, it's like a blind rat. Me blind instincts. Let's just get that. Cannot see anything. Where is the hand? The hand hasn't joined yet, has it? Have you, handy eyes? Oh, there is the hand. But it's just not moving. I think it's... Sorry, me die. God, please scary. I'm scared. We've got loads of people. And I feel like someone's gonna push me off. That's why I get scared about these. It's like the reason I don't play much in like Minecraft. You like respawn back. I thought that was good. But in Roblox, Desperate, you do not respawn. So when you like die, unless you hit the checkpoint, I think you respawn. But I don't know. I don't know. It's been so long. But I don't think you would like. I don't think you respawn in. If you don't hit the checkpoint, you don't respawn. I don't know. I don't know. That's just... Oh, I know. And I see the hand! The hand! It's like kind of far behind, but not. Victory? Victory? Very good. What did I just do? Did I just win? I can't pull. What? I'm so confused. Okay, I think I just keep 4. Oh, I'm on level 4. Oh, your daily gift! This daily gift is amazing. I love it. Love it. Okay, yum yum. Ooh! Ooh! Poison sky ribbon. Ooh, this one sounds interesting. Go, 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 run, run, run. We really aren't running. Oh, God. No one ever told me that they move. Okay. Oh. Okay. Just a second. Sorry about this. I just have to do this. So we've got 8 minutes. I'll be back when the next round. Okay, so that round is over, and the new round should be starting soon. Soon. Oh my god. Yeah. So, guys, what have you done this year? I don't know, just I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, but like this year I went to Sri Lanka. So next year, like in the winter sometime, I'm gonna be going skiing for a change. Instead of somewhere hot, I'm going skiing. I don't know why, I just wanted to tell you that. And we go on holiday like every year, so yeah, I don't know why, but it's kind of fun. Like we go on cruises, like so Sri Lanka we left this year sometime. We went to Cape Verde like the year before, and we went on a cruise before, and yeah, we normally go on cruises. Please, no. Leave! Why? What is this? This chest. Why? How is that fair? Okay. yes. Well, guys, I guess I'm going to end the video off here. I hope you all have a good day, good night, or good morning. Just remember to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. And it's the fearless subscribe button, so hit it, punch it, bite it, do whatever to that subscribe button. So yeah, bye. Bye.